Good day, sir. My name is Dan Robert P. Oclaret, and I am taking of Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. Section is 4MB. Marine engineering is a fascinating and challenging field involving the design, construction, maintenance, and operation of various types of vessels and structures. It also requires continued research and innovation to improve the performance, safety, and environmental impact of marine system. Marine engineering helps me a lot in fulfilling my dreams, as we will provide me with the knowledge and skills I need for a successful career. By the obtaining a specialized education in these areas, you will be better equipped to handle the challenge and responsibility that come with being an engineer or seaman. Not only will this enhance your professional capabilities, it will also increase your employability and opportunities for advancement within the maritime industry, bringing you closer to realizing your dream of becoming a successful seafarer.